almost anything. Now you're a 21st century man. Though you ride on the wheels of tomorrow, you still wander the fields of your sorrow. What will it bring? One day you're a hero, next day you're a clown. There's nothing that is in between. Now you're a 21st century man. You should be so happy. You should be so glad. So why are you so lonely? You 21st century man. You stepped out of a dream, believing everything was gone. Return with what you learned, or kiss the ground you walk upon. Things ain't how you thought they would. Nothing have you planned. So pick up your penny and your suitcase. You're not a 21st century man. Though you ride on the wheels of tomorrow,